It's August 5th, 2015, here at the Cascades in Pembrooke, Virginia. Just want to give you a feel for the scope of this place. Kind of an overcast day, so it shouldn't be that hot. Here's one of the nicer, prettier areas where the water's really flowing. It's really scenic. And somebody's done a beautiful walkway which I'd like to emulate. And that's where we're going, right up there. Plenty of water. And the sound is really calming. How about this for boulders? What a beautiful scene. A little bit more than halfway. That's where we're going. And steps. This is really one of the nicest trails in Virginia, in my opinion. I hiked many of them, and this is just so pleasant. It's a warm day outside, but the tree cover and all of the rhododendron, the mountain laurel, makes it very pleasant, even though it's probably 85 degrees today. So you come to Virginia. You go past Blacksburg towards West Virginia, and you come to the little town of Pembroke, and there's a small sign on the right-hand side of the road that says Cascades area, and you can miss it really easily, and this is what you get. And I'm going towards this second bridge up here, which leads me to the falls. Via this path. Now underneath the bridge, there's a little mini waterfall. No lack of big rocks here with tons of moss on them. Getting very close to the falls now. Sun streaming down through the trees. All kinds of little streams coming into the main stream, little mini waterfalls. Nice waterfall. As hot and sweaty as I am, I'd like to just put the camera down and go jump in this. But we're nearing the falls here. Visitors here are in the tens of thousands. Now you see why. So you think you know what tall rhododendron is? Well, do the Cascades. But look at this over here. There's a virtual sea of it. And it's 12 to 15 feet tall. What a wonderful day. Here's where I'm going. I'm not the only one here. I think it's 67 feet tall. And it was worth the climb. Welcome to Virginia.